Zing have sent me their thermal printer to review. Apparently it's fast, cheap to run, and good enough for eBay postal labels, you know, the proper full-size ones. And the reason I'm trying it out is because my video on the Dymo label writer, the 4XL and the 450, that video was really successful and lots of people liked it and viewed it and shared it, and I got loads of subscribers from the video as well. So I thought I want to try this printer out, do a full review, test it, and see how good it is, how it compares to the Dymo label writer. That'll be interesting, because I've owned that now for a few years. It's done brilliantly. So let's see what this one's like. Scruffles, do you mind? I need to put a blade through this thing. You're right where I don't want you, but excuse me, please. Thank you, cutie. Right then. No, not while I got a blade. No. You stay all the way over there. No. Yeah. There it is. Well packaged. Got loads of those foam things in there. So when people are throwing the boxes around on the back of, well, you know who you are. He's already eating the box. Alright then. You can either stay here or go play with that. It's up to you. I thought you might. So, let's have a look. Zing Logistics Label Printer. Thermosensitive method. Resolution of 300 dpi. So the higher resolution on this is going to make those QR codes much more clear. Less shipping problems. And if you're doing graphics, like putting your logo on the label, it's going to look a lot nicer. God. Look, it's something that actually includes a CD. Drivers. I was going to think, okay, maybe manual or software and stuff, but driver on a disc, so you don't have to go to the website and download it. I should probably do it this way around, shouldn't I? All extra professional. Little instruction manual. My lighting is blurting it out. Blurting. Safety, blah blah blah, who cares about safety. Unpacking the label printer. Nice graph. Do you mind? And there's a label holder there. I said it's separate because on the Dymo label writer it's built into one, and that's the only thing I've got to compare it with. Okay, looks cool. Looks like it's got a better mechanism inside for centering up the papers. So, do you mind? There we are, we've successfully gone through the manual. Let's have a look what we've got here. USB cable, looks like a USB-B cable. It's like a normal printer cable. Power, standard 3-pin kettle cord. Egg tray, so you can store your eggs when you need to store eggs. I don't know why they'd include that though. Okay, and here she is. Ta-da! It's got peely-offy things, so that's going to be peelable. So on the back here, it looks like there's an extra. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's an extra thing where there would have been perhaps an Ethernet port. It looks about the size of an Ethernet port. Power switch, power adapter input. Okay, cool. And that's the power pack, cool. And this, I guess, is thing that holds labels. That's all of that. Store that on a really nice professional shelf over there. Right, let's go through this first. info, 3 labels, and instructions on how to set this separate thing. The thing I like about this is having it separate keeps the size of that down, so if you need to take it somewhere and only print like a handful off, you don't really need to take this with you, smaller size. And if you want to stack loads of them up, I'm thinking I might 3D print a larger version of this. Scraffles! He's found a box. He's not going to fit in there. He's not going to fit in there. He does that when he's about to cut into an area. It's like making a nest for himself. I should probably look at those instructions. Have you got them? No. What did I do with those? Oh, right. Good luck, Scruff. Okay, so simple enough. Base, sides. He's managed. I was certain he would not manage. He's managed to, he's not touching the carpet at all. Anyway, so where's it gone? Yeah, so that just slots in there. It's nice strong plastic as well. Smash! like if I knocked that now, the joints would break at the bottom. But it's definitely strong plastic, especially when this support goes in. There we go. Am I doing this wrong? I was, but I don't know why it wouldn't have gone in actually. Okay. Will that come out now? I didn't line it up right at the top. Okay. Yeah, these latches that sort of hold it in, and I didn't hold it in when I pushed it down, and that was good. And the final piece. Where does that? Oh, right. It looked like it was going in the back there, but of course that goes there. I guess that's for if you've got a spool of labels. That's going to hold loads as we go along. Do you mind ever so much? Do you mind ever so much? Thank you. Right. I don't know, we'll see as we progress. That is that done, at least. Okay. So, the Zing 300. I don't know if it's, well, I would say Pro there, wouldn't it? I know there's 2 versions of this, and this must be the Pro one. There might be more, but there's 2 that I know of. Okay, so let's do the peel. Where's the best corner to start from? I think we'll go here. Are we ready? Sorry. Is that a crack? No. Actually got a scratch just by the power. Yeah, I don't know if we can see that on the camera. Just above the line for the power, where there's now a fingerprint because I put my finger on it. Orientation is terrible when you're working in reverse. I don't know if that's going to show up or not. I know. Let's take a picture. Oh wow, it doesn't show on the camera. Oh, there we go. That was there. I didn't do it. Just in case, I do have to return this, so I don't want them thinking I've done that. Okay. So it's nice quality. It's got a nice weight to it. It's it feels high quality. So. inside. It is high quality though. High quality rollers, and they look easy to change as well. This looks like it's easy to change if that roller ever wears out. There's like a see-through thing going on there. Okay, so yeah, on the inside here, which I should probably show with this second image, my B-roll camera. So yeah, everything very high quality. There's that roller. This see-through section here, which looks like it lifts up with those two clips, and that looks to be like an infrared sensor. So it might have something to do with being able to move it if you have labels which have holes off to one side, so that the motor can stop in the correct position. So it's useful to have that in case you need to make an adjustment for certain labels which may not have the hole in the correct position. Okay, cool. That is the unboxing video complete. The next step is to plug it all in and see how easy it is to set up on a Mac and a PC. Okay, cool. So with everything unboxed, I'm ready to try it out on different machines. I'm first going to try it on an Apple MacBook Air, see if I can get it set up on there with the software and see if I need to download anything special to get it up and running. And then on a separate video, I'm going to do the same thing on a PC to see if it can be installed just as easily on a PC. I'll be throwing some tests at it, comparing it with the Dymo Label Writer XL. I'll also be testing compatibility with different label types, not just the ones that's come in the box with it, but also Dymo's labels. I don't know if it's meant to work well. Thermal printers, they're both thermal printers, it should work just fine. And I suspect I'll need to move that adjustment that we saw earlier on underneath that transparent flap so that it'll work with other labels such as the ones with the Dymo Label Writer. That being said, the Zing's paper costs might be cheaper than a roll of the Dymo labels or any other brand for that matter. We'll have to check the prices later on, but I haven't looked up how much the thermal paper costs. So it'll be interesting to see if there's going to be any saving by using those. So thanks for watching. If you want to see the next video in this series, have a look at the link in the video description. And if you want to buy yourself one of these or check the latest price, again, check the link in the video description. And if you want to get notified when I release the next video about this, press subscribe. Don't forget to like, you know, all of that stuff we all ask you to do at the end of the videos. Anyway, thanks for watching.